53, Ocampo Academy Technological Institute Incorporated, Tres Reyes sa Bato, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 54, Santa Lutgarda National High School, New Poblacion, Cabusao, Camarines Sur. Troop and Staff: Odi Giunipi Damasing, Troop Commander; Dave Justin Hadap, Troop S1; John Sherwin Vega, Troop S2; John Cyrus M. De La Cruz, Troop S3; Nyeka May Quijano, Troop S4; Majors Leader Desiree Jane Reyes, DLC Leader Windel Frank S. Nilo; MAPI Company Commander Rolex Suego; MAPI Company XO Paul J. D. Villanueva; First Platoon Leader MAPI Boys James Carl Cano; Second Platoon Leader Girls Jasmine De Serba; School Principal Nelia L. Presbitero; CTV MAPI Facilitator Melvin F. Abarientos; Majors Coordinator Jeneline Z. Cañas; Majors Trainer Cloyd Anthony R. Lopez; DLC Coordinator Janelle K. Regidor; MAPI Coordinator Raymond Hobinal C. Demesa Jr. Entry number 54, Santa Lutgarda National High School, New Poblacion, Cabusao, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 54, Santa Lutgarda National High School, Cabusao, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Madam Marites P.